you still dealing with your ear problems in the traditional way? Introducing the B-Bird A2 Intelligent Visual Ear Stick. The efficiency of life needs to be adjusted. The ear is no exception. Ready to use. Automatic network. Efficient and easy to use. Ear enjoyment at your fingertips. Aluminum oxide blasting process. Combines soft and hard glue. Better protection of the ear canal during use. 3.55mm slim lens. Million HD camera. Removable, replaceable ear kit. New changes to enjoy the ear experience. The ear canal is very small, easy to get injured. Look at the side. Ear health knows early. Double care for you and your baby. B-Bird A2 Intelligent Visual Ear Pick. Enjoy a new, healthy visual ear experience.